Hello everyone, my name is Cap Repetto, and today my aunt, dear Wendy, had bought me a package of Amazon. So today we're gonna unbox this. Let's see. Here it is. This is a Bluetooth we're talking about, ladies and gents. It's kind of like a. This is from Razer, the Pokemon, and I gotta try it out. I did not want to break this. One moment. Let's see here. Alright, here it is. Now, there it is, an unboxing of the Pokemon. Dun, 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 dun. What is it bestowed upon the Pokeball? Another Razer. I love this one. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so there's everything else in it. Yeah, let's get the Pikachu. I better make this quick. Let me unbox this one too. What does it come with? Oh, it comes with this. Hey, it comes with a charger. Nice. Last but not least, oh, this is a Pokemon. Yeah. So, let's. Isn't it beautiful? This is perfect. Alright everyone, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I think that's about it for today. Now, just so remember, let me know in the comments below. This is Cap Roberto. Hope you enjoy yourself. God bless you. Bye bye. Let me know. Share, likes, comments, and subscribe. Bye bye.